Happy holidays, everybody. This is Pam, and I wanted to talk to you about handmade mug cozies. Guys, I've been looking for these, for the last couple of years, and I just can't seem to find them anywhere. So I wanted to reach out to my fellow crafters out there and see if I couldn't remind everybody about this wonderful little gift idea of this beautiful handmade cozy that you could put around a mug to give as a gift during the winter season. Now, my mother used to make these when I was a young girl. She would crochet, and she made some very beautiful ones. And I remember her making me some of these. And she also made me this sweet little saucer cozy that would absorb any of the spilt hot cocoa that I would spill, and I could just rewash it and put it back in the bottom of my coffee cup, right? Coffee cup, cocoa cup, hot tea cup. But you don't see anybody making these anymore. So I wanted to reach out to my crafty friends and say, hey guys, put these back in the bazaars and get these back flowing again. This is an item that is perfect. Now, you may be a person watching my video because you just strictly love the holidays and you're not a crafter at all. Well, that's okay, because this is a reminder to anybody that this would be a really sweet little gift. This gift provides comfort to the person who receives it. If you know somebody like an elderly person, I'm sure they would love getting a gift like this. Or someone that's sick that would enjoy something warm and cozy, like a mug cozy. All these things evoke comfort. So guys, everybody, let's get these back at the craft shows. I would love to see these because I would be buying them myself. So, hey, guys, if you're making these for your shows or you plan on it, how about you let me know about it so I can hop on your YouTube channel and take a look at it, or hop on your website and let me take a look at it. I would love to see them, and maybe I can get some links to your stuff, guys, and pop it on my YouTube. So I'm all about sharing, everybody. So guys, if you're gonna make these or you haven't even thought of making them, let's do this. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful day. Happy crafters, happy winter, and happy holidays. Bye-bye for now.